Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is Toyota CHR 1.2 liter turbocharged. One owner only, very low mileage and absolutely superb condition. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beauty. Toyota CHR looks super cool. It is unique, it is sporty, and despite being 7 years old, this car still looks futuristic. Look, Rick, the paintwork condition is absolutely perfect on this unit. The tires are brand new, just changed. Overall, the design is unmistakable. It is very nice, and I like to drive this car a lot, be honest with you guys. Okay, with door handle over here, let's check out behind. Now, something else super cool about this particular unit. All the turbo active on the market come with non-leather seats, but ours got brand new leather seats for you. Still got brand new car smell, guys. Really nice. Look, beautifully red stitching as well, and quite spacious for a rear passenger. Another cool thing I like about CHR is black cowl roofliner, which you very seldom see in a Toyota car. And now let's go in. All right, we are inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very nice looking cabin. First things first, we have 3-spoke steering wheel. It's multifunctional, full leather, very nice. Very sporty looking speedometer cluster. What I really like is all the soft touch leather on the dashboard. This is very nice. It's also stitched, feels very premium. We have touchscreen infotainment, which comes with reverse camera, of course, very nice and clear. What I also like is that all these controls are facing towards the driver, very driver-centric design. Over here we have your gear selector with a nice leather boot, electric parking brake, auto hold function. You got cup holder here, cup holder there, and bottle holders on the doors. Look at the leather, guys, brand new, literally just yesterday got wrapped, beautifully stitched, and smells like a new car. Even the ceiling, I'm not sure if you can see, let me try to on the light. But this very cool, interesting pattern, which is unique to CHR, and this is also functional. It's easy to pull down your sun visor. All right, we'll have another look. All right, guys, in terms of the drive, I absolutely love Toyota CHR. We've had one about 1.5 years ago that I sold. That one was a hybrid unit, and I really like driving that one. This one is a turbocharged unit, and just the same, drives super good. Somehow the driving feel is very similar to a Continental car. I don't know how to describe it. Perhaps you should drop by, test drive and try. Yeah, on COE we still got 2 years and 6 months left, so just nice for you to enjoy. Unit available for viewing daily in our showroom. You all know what to do. Call me, I'm gonna give you a good deal.